Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on curve tracing parametric type revision part 3. Trace the curve x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta, y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta with full justification. Therefore, as it is parametric type, x and y are functions of third variable theta, parameter theta. Points, first one, symmetry. We have to check whether x is even or odd. Therefore, replacing theta by minus theta, this become minus theta, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. We can take minus sign common, and therefore here x is an odd function. We get same value but with negative sign. That's why it is an odd function. Then we check for y. Replace theta by minus theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Means no change in the equation. Therefore, y is an even function. Y is even function. And as per that procedure, when x is odd, y is even, curve is symmetrical about y-axis. Curve is symmetrical about y-axis. Means whatever the curve we have to draw, that must be symmetrical to y-axis. This is the first point. Then second point, we have to make a table. For any cycloid, we consider these 3 points only, 0, pi by 2 and pi. Whatever the equation, consider only these 3 values, 0, pi by 2 and pi. Therefore, if we substitute x, theta is equal to 0, sin 0 is 0, 0, 0 plus 0 we get 0, and therefore the value is 0. Cos 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 we get 2a. And therefore that point which we have to plot is 0, 2a. Then for pi by 2, it is a, theta is pi by 2, and sin pi by 2 is 1. And if you calculate that value, it is 2.6a approximately. If we calculate this by calculator, we get that value as 2.6.14 divided by 2 plus 1. That gives you 2.6 into this a. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Therefore, 0 plus 1 we get 1 into a. That point is a. And therefore, corresponding point xy is x is 2.6a and y is a. Then for pi, sin pi is 0, therefore it is a pi, and the value of a pi is 3.14a. We consider the value of pi as 3.14. Cos pi is minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, we get that value as 0. And therefore the point is 3.14a and 0. Then dy by dx. As y dot upon x dot. Differentiating this with respect to theta, its differentiation is minus a sin theta and divided by differentiation of this with respect to theta, a into 1 plus cos theta. This gives you a slope of the tangent at that particular point. Therefore, if we substitute theta is equal to 0, sin 0 is 0, therefore numerator term is 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore 0 by 2a, we get that value as 0. Slope is 0. Therefore, what is the nature of that line? Either x-axis or any line parallel to that x-axis as a tangent. Then sin pi by 2 is 1, therefore minus a upon a into 1 plus cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, therefore it is with minus sign, minus 1. And then last, sin pi, it is 0. Oh, sorry. If you simplify this, we get that a get cancelled. In half angle, it is sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. If you simplify this, we get that a get cancelled. In half angle, it is sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, and therefore this one is minus 1 by 2. Cos 1 get cancel, sin by cos we get as tan of theta by 2. And then if we substitute theta is equal to 0, tan 0 is 0, then tan of pi by 4, the value of tan pi by 4 is 1 with minus sign, therefore it is minus 1. Then tan pi by 2, the value of tan pi by 2, it is infinity. And therefore, these are the slope of the 3 different tangents. And then using all this information, we try to complete the figure. The first point is 0 to a. Therefore, we make this point by suitable distance a to a, 3a, same distance on y-axis a and 2a. Therefore, the first point is 0 to a. Then next one 2.6a and y is a, therefore 2.5, 2.6 somewhere here, and the corresponding value is a. We get this one, and 3.14a 0, 3.14 and y is 0. Therefore these are the 3 points. Then we try to show the tangent at that particular point. For the first, slope is 0. Slope 0 means a line parallel to x-axis or horizontal line as a tangent. Therefore, we make a horizontal tangent here. Then slope is minus 1. Y equal to x and y equal to minus x. Slope 1 and minus 1. Therefore, that line is parallel to y equal to minus x line, making an angle of 135 degree with positive x-axis. Therefore, this is that line. And for the third, slope is infinity, means vertical line at that point, a perpendicular line at that point. Therefore, these are the 3 tangents. Then we have to join this point smoothly, keeping in the mind that these lines are the tangent, means any part of that curve should not cross this line. It will touch to that line only. And therefore, joining this to this and this to this smoothly, This is the half part of the curve. Try to complete the curve by making a symmetrical part about y-axis. Therefore, 8, 2a, 3a and 3.1. Therefore, we draw a symmetrical portion about y-axis. This is one cycle of that cycloid. Then we have another cycle if we extend. Therefore, this is the extension. On this side also we can show the extension. A symmetrical tangent at this point. That point is called as a cusp. First cusp point. This is the another cusp point. This cycloid exists between two consecutive cusps. This point is 0 to a. For theta equal to 0. And this point is 3.14a and 0 for theta is equal to pi. This x-axis is called as the base of that cycloid. This point where that tangent is parallel to x-axis, that point is called as a vertex point. Therefore, this is that cycloid representing this equation. X is equal to a into theta plus sine theta and y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Symmetrical about y-axis. 3 points, 0 to a, then second this 2.6a and the third 3.14a 0. At that particular point, before connecting it, try to show the tangent. Here the tangent slope is 0, means line parallel to x-axis. Here the slope is -1, means that tangent is making an angle of 135 degree with positive x-axis, and this tangent with slope infinity means perpendicular tangent. And then join 1, 2, 3 points touching to that line only. In my next video, I will discuss one curve from polar type. If you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel to receive the notification for my new videos. For that, you have to press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.